Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Alura Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, restaurant and a daily housekeeping. The San Jose International Airport and Santa Clara University are 4 miles from Alura Inn. It includes on-site Mexican restaurant and AL rooms equipped with free Wi-Fi. Each guest room includes a microwave and a refrigerator. Guests can watch cable TV or work at the hardwood desk. Laundry and dry cleaning services are available at this San Jose hotel and the front desk is open 24 hours a day. The on-site Mexican restaurant and bar, Los Garcia's Taqueria and Cantina, features a full bar and room service. Coffee is available at the lobby. The San Jose McEnery Convention Center is 8 miles from the San Jose Alura Inn. Stanford University is 18 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.